Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sharika and today I will be shaving my face with aloe vera. Watch this video till the end for some tips and tricks. Anyways, I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get started. So, you will need the small razor to shave your face, but before that, tie your hair so that it doesn't get in the way. Anyways, now that we are done, let's get into the video. So what you will need is aloe vera gel, of course. It doesn't matter if it's store-bought or if it's from the plant, but please do make sure that it is natural. So basically you need to put a thin layer of aloe vera gel on your face and then hold the razor in 45 degrees. I started with my cheeks as it was easier for me to do it that way, but you could start wherever you want. Use your opposite hand to gently stretch your skin so you could have a smoother base to work with. Always shave with the hairs downward rather than against it, and please take your time and do it gently. Also, one thing I noticed about shaving my face with aloe vera is that it is so much more easier to shave rather than using oil. So while I was shaving, I also noticed that my face would get dry very quickly. So I had to put the gel on my face again and again, but oh well, I don't really mind. So while I'm shaving my face, let me tell you the advantage that you get when you shave your face. Basically, you remove dead skin, peach fuzz and vellus hair. It can make your skincare product work much better and will have a stronger impact on your skin. Also, I know some of you are worried about shaving your face, but let me tell you, your hair won't grow back thicker. So why use aloe vera gel when we can use other stuff? The reason why I prefer using aloe vera gel is because it is anti-inflammatory and it can reduce pain swelling. Also, it supports the protection and release of collagen. It is effective in treating fungal and bacterial infection. So I literally gave a little dance because I literally love the way I looked. I love the results. My skin just looked so good. I was feeling myself. I was being confident. Anyways, guys, we're gonna shave our nose now. So some of the men have been asking me why I don't shave or wax my eyebrows. The reason why I don't do that is it's because it's against my religion and I'm not allowed to do it, so yeah. So guys, I am finally done shaving my face and now I'm gonna go and wash my face so that there's no hair or whatsoever. So I'm back after washing my face and this is what it looks like. So yeah, now I will be putting on my aloe vera gel, and the reason why I'll be putting aloe vera gel is because it's very light. After shaving, you're not supposed to put on anything heavy because it might break out. So do make sure after shaving your face, you put on something light, something like it's like a gel type or something. But do make sure that it's not oily or anything because you might get a breakout. So yeah, be careful with that. guys, I'm done massaging my face, and this is the result. I hope you like it. But yes, I will be posting another result, which is after 15 hours or 24 hours, and you will see that my skin looks so good. I literally love the way I look. Like, oh my gosh, just look at me. Mashallah. Anyways guys, 24 hours is over, and this is what I look like with no foundation. I've only used concealer, but I've used no foundation. This is what I look like, and yeah, if you've liked this video, then please do put a thumbs up or a thumbs down and let me know why you didn't like it. Thank you. Bye.